Hello, I am Goomby.
Hello, I'm Luigi.
Hello, we're the characters. And welcome to our show called Goomby's Anew. 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 Goomby's Anew.
Oh boy, I've never been skydiving. Now let's get some parachutes. Ah! Ah! Wow, we're falling. Joey, right now's not the perfect time to ask questions. It's always time for questions. Vortex, what are you doing? Do you have tickets, sir? No? How dare you kill Bucky? You may please exit the plane now. How are you alive? That's simple. We don't know. Give up already. No, you killed my father. No, I am your father. No. What did I just witness? I don't know. Wow, I'm alive! That's a bummer. Wait, no, it's not. Well, we should go back home. Agreed.